Today is all about you, having fun, trying new things, and being creative.
اسمي فاطمة وبزنس مالنا اسمه 6 Stars. My name is Sami and our business is called Code Deals.
My name is Mayan Hussein and my business is called SIS.
أنا اسمي إبراهيم علي خنجي. تعلمنا في teamwork. The idea is to make clothes and to sell it to people, and they can even make a custom set.
It is an application that gives you codes.
And we have a basement to recycle the clothes and we can make a new clothes. My idea is to help people with their stress and see their heartbeat.
It solves people who have less money, so it gives them a chance at life.
It's something like new, not everyone has it.
It's guarantee you get up to 50% off.
Because we said people like work hard and they get hot, and people like hoodies. So we put them together and we make one idea.
To get a lot of people and
Get a lot of money.
I think with our profits we will make a lot, and we will always try to make up something better.
I would first do some research on some maintainable things to buy, basically assets. Like it could be a phone, it could be a house, but it really does depend, because when you make profits, you regularly have to save up to buy more things.